Good morning, students. Hope you're doing well. In the last lecture, we studied about the input and output devices and how this instruction is processed with the CPU. We also learned how the IPO circle works. Today, we will see the usage and working of these input devices. So let's start with the mouse and see what are the different activities mouse can perform. The desktop has two types of icon, activity icon and folder icon. The icons can be rearranged by using drag and drop action of the mouse. So if you want to rearrange the positions of your icons, that can be done by drag and drop actions of the mouse. New folders can be created and also moved to different locations on the desktop. Files can be moved into the folders by using drag and drop options. So if you want to move your file somewhere else or into a particular folder, that can be done using the drag and drop option. Now let us see what activities the keyboard can perform. So, a standard keyboard has 104 keys and these keys has their own features and it helps us in our daily work with computer. So, let us explore the working of these keys. First, we will start with caps lock. If you want to type the letter of the alphabet in uppercase, you can use the caps lock key. If you want to delete a letter from the left hand side of the cursor position, you can click or you can press backspace key. If you want to delete the letter to the right side of the cursor position, you can press delete key. Now students, make a note over here. The backspace and delete, they perform the same function of deletion. The only difference between the backspace key and delete key is that backspace delete a letter from the left hand side of the cursor, whereas delete key delete the letter to the right side of the cursor position. There are 4 arrows keys also present in your keyboard. They are page up, page down, left and right. These 4 directional keys are used to move the cursor around the text file or to scroll up and down. So if you want to scroll up and down, you can do it using the arrow key present in your keyboard. Now, as you know how your keyboard works, so let's start with text editing option. Now, you must be thinking, what is text editing? Microsoft Word provides us with the feature of text editing. If you want to make any changes or if you want to modify a document, the process is known as text editing. Whenever you submit your book to the teacher, she does some required corrections if necessary. The correction can be your spelling mistake or inserting any word or deleting any word. So that process is known as text editing. Similarly, over here also we do it in Microsoft Word. Making changes to the written text is called editing. It can be inserting or deleting the text, copying or moving the text, correcting the misspelled word. So, if you are deleting or if you are inserting, you are copying or you are moving the text. If you are correcting any spelling mistake. So, this process of modification is known as text editing. Now you know how to edit the text. Now let us see what are the file options which are available to utilize it. So basically, there are three file options available: open, save, and print. If you want to click or open any existing file, you can click on open button. If you want to use or if you want to save the used file after the completing the worksheet, you can click on save button. If you want to take the printout of the worksheet or any file, you can click on print option. So open is used to open an existing file, save is used to save the file, and print is used to print the file. Now you know how you can open, save and print. Let's check out some editing options that are available with MS Word. So the various editing options available are cut, copy and paste. So let us explore one by one. The copy is used to copy the text and paste is used to insert the copied text to the another location. If you want to copy your document, so you can go and copy the document by pressing Ctrl plus C, and you can paste it somewhere else by pressing Ctrl plus V. Next, the cut paste option. The cut is used to remove the text from the location, and paste is used to insert that text in another location. So if you want to remove a text from one location and paste it somewhere else, so you can use the cut paste option. To cut, you just have to press Ctrl and X and then Ctrl and V to paste it. Let us explore few more functions of editing. We have undo and redo. If you want to reverse the effect of your last command, click on undo button in the quick access, or you can also use shortcut for undo, that is Ctrl plus Z. If you want to repeat the same command for multiple times, click on redo button in the quick access. So if you want to reverse the previously used command, you can press Ctrl plus Z for undo, and if you want to repeat the commands which you are using, you can press redo option, that is Ctrl plus Y is the shortcut. I hope now you will perform some activity and explore the writing options in the Microsoft Word in the upcoming days. So keep practicing and keep working. Thank you everyone and take care.